Hi guys, this is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another character-inspired makeup look for you guys. And this time, this look is inspired by Daenerys Targaryen of Game of Thrones. So naisip ko, gawin ko na rin siya ng makeup look since meron akong wig. It's not as blonde as Daenerys, pero pwede na rin. Kasi itong wig na to, it's been with me for months already and hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. So naisip ko, why don't I use it for today's video? So itong look na to, again, I did some tweaks. I made it a bit livelier. Actually, feeling ko nga itong Daenerys look na to is mas may resemblance doon sa look niya before, around mga probably seasons 3 to 4. But anyway, hindi na ako mag-explain. So, if you wanna see how I did this look, first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos and so that you'll be part of our clique here. And if you guys wanna know how I did this whole makeup look, which by the way will look a little bit crazy and weird at the beginning since wala pa akong makeup. Anyway, if you wanna know how I did this makeup look, then just keep watching.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go, but baby I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know, girl, you are my fire.